All them twitches here already. It's our fate. Well, as usual, last minute decision to come out because it was supposed to be raining all day. But currently there's a bit of blue sky. So yeah, thought I'd come and have a look while I've got a bit of blue sky. I don't think it'll last very long now. I guess all the weather reports are pointing to rain today. It's kind of heron nesting season, so there's quite a lot of herons flying around here. So before the hordes turn up, I'll hang around here for 5 or 10 minutes to see if I can get a couple of shots. Well, yeah, they are flying about, but the problem I've got is they all seem to be flying over there and just cutting through the bushes or coming from the other end over there. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just have a walk into the car park behind me to see if I can catch them flying back over this way. It's no good this way. Nah, change of plan. I stood and waited for about 5 or 10 minutes and I thought to myself, what the hell am I doing? I'm standing here wasting a little bit of sunlight that I'm probably going to have today, waiting for herons to come. And herons have got to be up there with cormorants, with the birds that I've got the most photos of, and they all kind of look the same anyway after a bit. So I've decided to crack on and make the most of the light. I'm shooting with my teleconverter on today because I had it on last time I came out and I haven't took it off since. Just because I've been lazy really, not because I thought, oh god, I had some great results from it. So I've got my teleconverter on, which I could do with really removing because the light isn't the best. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Because at the moment, while the birds are scarce around here, I might need it on to get close. So I might need to sacrifice a little bit of ISO. But we'll see how it goes. I want to apologise for the video last week. To start the video, the sound quality was terrible. There was like music going over me talking and it was really loud. I don't know why, because when I listened to it back it was fine. And then at the end of the video when I was doing the editing, the sound was clipping. I think I know what I kind of done wrong and hopefully I'll put it right. And also the lighting when I was doing the video in the house wasn't the best, but again I know what I did wrong. I didn't have enough kind of lights on me, and I did have them but they weren't charged up since the house move, and I just wanted to get the video finished. So moving forward, hopefully they should improve. Well, that's totally a first for me. First time that I've heard parakeets in the walk up to the lakes. There's one there. Yeah, I've never heard that before. Not down here. It's this time of year now, February, if I remember right, where last February it all kind of kicked off with the birds. That, you know, it started pairing up and fighting for ground and things like that. And it kind of kicked off really early last year. And I thought to myself this morning, I better go out and make the most of it, because if it kicks off the same this year, with all this rain, I won't get any shots again. So, I mean, look at it. Blue skies. They have not got a fucking clue what they're talking about. I've actually overdone the layering today. I've just took a layer off. Warmer than it's been for the last week. Another thing I really like to get a couple of shots of today, if it's actually happening yet, is the grebes water, no, what's it called? The grebes weed dance. When they're mating, they fetch weed and pass weed to each other and dance. And yeah, it's pretty cool. And you get some good shots of the two grebes together. But I've seen some photos on social media, but I don't actually know if it's happening now or they're from last year. So hopefully, may get to see some grebes. That's kind of the reason why I'm not taking the teleconverter off at the moment, because they're normally quite a way out grebes. They're a bit skittish. So fingers crossed that. And also keep seeing reports that the marsh harrier, pair of marsh harrier are flying around here. And I've seen them, but they're always too far away. I've seen one at Middleton Lady Walk. That's probably the best a couple of weeks ago. But again, not the best light and not the best shots. So, marsh harrier, grebes, always a green woodpecker, obviously. And obviously anything else that comes up. It's definitely starting to pick, what am I doing with this? It's definitely starting to pick up. Definitely. It just needs the weather to improve now, because it's just been absolute crap for the last, what, 3 or 4 months. It's been terrible. I've had like 1 or 2 odd days out of it that's been okay. Anyway, let's go and crack on. On this little patch here of grasses, there's so many reed buntings. Obviously, the light's not as good as it was last week, but I wasn't here last week, I was further down. But there's so many of them here, and they're quite, I wouldn't say tame, but you know, they don't really care that you're pretty close. I just took a couple of shots, but they're like in and out, in and out. Yeah, I got a couple of little shots of them. God, what's with the goddamn flies? God, they're dragging this out. Screen refurbishment project. They've been doing this for months. I mean, why is it still not open? I don't know. Dragging it out a bit. I'd have that finished in an afternoon, and I'm crap at woodwork. Well, there's next to nothing on that pool. A couple of tufted ducks and a couple of coots. I was kind of hoping that's where I'd see some grebes, but nope. Well, there's diddly squat going on over here as well. Nothing kind of close this end, and I can't really hear anything going on behind me. Strange. It was quiet last week until I walked round over the far end where I saw the stone chat. Strange. On the internet, well, some of these social media sites, they've said that they've seen some other sets dropping already, just passing through, but that would have been nice to see a couple of them really early. But nope. Keep getting these 5-minute little bursts where the sun's really nice, but there's nothing to photograph. It's like, you know, when it goes like kind of like a yellowy golden colour. But this bank of clouds coming over, so we haven't got long left. But I keep hearing birds close to me, but cannot see a thing, not a thing. And there's nothing on the, well, there's coots and ducks, and the rest of it's way too far out. I think I'm going to have to risk walking around and seeing if I can get anything else, because nothing's really happening here. I'm just wasting the light. I don't think I've got long left at all. Maybe half hour max, I'd say. Let's crack on. Well, I think that's it. I think the lighting now has officially turned to shit. It's grey as hell. This teleconverter is going to have to come off. It's just too dark. Saying that, it's not really a big thing because there's nothing to photograph. It's really quiet. It should have started to pick up. I mean, it is picking up, but not enough. Come on, what's going on? Seen a couple of redwings walking up this way, but there was some people walking behind me and they were talking. So as every time I spotted the redwings, I kind of thought, well, I'll take a photo, and the people behind me started talking really loud and scared them off. So, nope, nothing. So quiet today. Just can't find anything to take a photo of. I was actually doing better where I first started this morning. A few photos of ducks, herons. I think one of a robin. I mean, I know it's hanging fruit, isn't it, robin? They're always there, happy to smile. But I think I got an all right shot of a robin. But apart from that, nothing. Haven't even seen a grebe, which is what I came for, really. Haven't seen one of them. I can hear the oyster catchers, but I saw them last week. Saw no avocets. Haven't seen the marsh area. No good, no good. But I've just been speaking to a guy. I've met him before. He did just tell me his name again, and I've completely forgot it. Oh yeah, if you do know me and you do see me around places and you say hello, I probably cannot remember your name, and this is no word of a lie. I am terrible with names, so just introduce yourself again and I'll try and remember again. But yeah, he just told me that he saw the kingfisher. He's told me where it is, where to see it, and he said it was there for 10 minutes. So I'm going to go and have a look there on the way back, because nothing else is happening, not here. Well, I'm back to where I saw the stone chat and the reed warblers last weekend. Nothing at all. But saying that, as I was walking through the woods earlier, I stuck on that app, you know, tells you what the birds are, and apparently I've seen or heard, or it's been here, a Canada goose, black-headed gull, Eurasian blue tit, rook, European robin, coot, grey lag, great tit, wren, dunnock, jackdaw, curlew, goldfinch, green-winged teal, song thrush, mallard, Setish warbler, nuthatch, tree creeper, pheasant, water rail and gadwall. As I was walking around the corner, actually, one of the guys that was a bit behind me, he thought he heard the curlew, but I couldn't see it straight away, so I was walking on. Well, that's it. Crap. I walked back where the guy told me the kingfisher was. I heard it, but didn't see it. Seen nothing else. And the sky's gone really grey now. So I don't think I've took a photo for the last hour. So I'm going to head back. I might wash my car. I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. But that's it. So I think this video is going to be short again, so I'll probably show you me editing one. I might do, I might not, if you're lucky. But if I take any more photos, I'll leave them after this, and if I do edit one, I'll show you that. If not, thanks for watching. Until next week.